Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have got a LED light panel. So these are basically used by photographer and videographers to get better lighting for scenarios. And if you guys are subscribed and you guys watch my videos, you guys would know I recently purchased a camera, a mic for this channel, and I'm recording with the said camera and the mic. Now today I have bought a LED photo light, so basically it is to get better lighting in situations. So this is without it obviously because I'm unboxing it. It's by Neewer and it's LED-NL660. Alright, so I've done the unboxing already because it's open, so you get this bad boy. Alright, so let's have a look. So it comes in a nice neat little box, which is really nice to see. Okay, so you get a contact them information and a little bit about how to use this. And now this is dimmable, and it's also got a few other things, like it's got two colors, so warm and light, bright light. So that's the panel itself. Okay, I'll put that aside for a second. So you get the power adapter for it and the cabling, which is nice and lengthy, which is what I would like to see, is the length. Okay, and let's look at the light panel. So that's the panel that you get with it. It's got the settings in the back, so it's dimmer and it makes it yellower, I guess. The more warmth, this adds more warmth to it. Off battery, it's also got a battery and adapter. So mostly I'll be using this in my studio. This will be on power operated rather than battery. So these are the panels that you can have for the light to be better directed, and that's the panel in there. All right, that's basically it guys. Let me know about the unboxing. What do you guys think? Did you guys like it? Did you guys not like it? And if you've got any suggestions in regards to lighting for my set, I've got two of these for my place. As you guys can appreciate, it's a tiny little studio I've got and it's not much. So let me know if this is the best or should I have gone cheaper. Anyways, thank you for watching. Take good care. Bye bye.